Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round! What's up, Ralph? And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Steve, Dad, come on the lightning round. Let's start with Jim in North Carolina. Jim!
Hey, booyah, Jim!
Booyah!
Hey, long-time listener, first-time caller. Love your show. You do a great job. Thanks for all your advice.
All right.
Yeah, I wanted to find out your opinion. The stock's been up the last 2 days, 14%. Wanted to know your opinion for the next 2 or 3 years on FSR. Fisker.
Okay, I'm glad you gave me 2 to 3 year time frame because remember, there's nothing really going to be out in the market there until 2022. In the interim, I have to tell you, I think that is a beautiful car. It looks like they've converted the company. I say it's a decent spec. Yes, I'm giving him that after interviewing Mr. Fisker twice. I think it's a decent spec. Thank you, Bill McDermott from ServiceNow, which is a great stock for pointing me in the right direction. John in Florida. John.
Hi, Jim. Booyah, and thanks for taking my call.
Oh, of course. Thank you.
Okay, the stock I want your opinion on today has a unique way of fighting cancer. They are in multiple trials right now in various cancers and have just teamed up with Merck on lung cancer, which I think is a huge positive. The stock backed off yesterday because of a private placement. And Jim, if you could even get the CEO on for an update with this company, I think it would be for a great interview. Is this a good time to add to my position in Novocure, NVCR?
Okay, remember that Novocure, Bill Doyle comes on. He's the chairman. The stock has come down. I am a total believer in the technology. I think it is a fantastic look. Anything that can even extend the life of people who have cancer, I think it is a decent level to be able to buy, so I'm going to endorse it there. I need to go to Michael in Florida. Michael.
Jim, hey, thank you for your guidance during these times.
Oh, you're quite welcome.
We really appreciate it. My stock is a drug stock that had a big drop on Friday. It used to be called Seattle Genetics. It's now Seagen.
Yeah, we got to talk to Clay. We got to talk to Dr. Seagal because, boy, I did not like one bit what he said on Sedaction Alert name. We sold a lot of 200. We feel really good. Merck paid 200 for a very big $1 billion stake. That said, I did not like his notion in the comp school. He says, look, people are not getting their cancer treated because they don't want to go to the hospital. That sounded fatuous. So, Clay, please come back so we can find out what's really going on with your great company. I need to go to Ben in New York. Ben.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill!
Holy cow, man. Chill. Hey, Chill was on the attack this afternoon. I don't know what got into him. What's happening?
Thank you for your show. Thank you for everything you do. It's very, very important during these times to have something to look forward to. So the stock I'm calling about is RUN Sunrun. They had a merger that went through. Then once it went through, it dropped down 40%. What happened?
Well, I mean, look, all the solar stocks are really, yeah, I know, but they went the long on. I'll tell you, the long, nice route with that one, which is why I always default to FSLR. First Solar, which had a magnificent quarter. Remember, there's also a lot of people in a Trump environment. It's not necessarily going to be a home run, okay? Let's go to Mark in Florida. Mark.
Hi, Jim. Thanks for all your advice over the years.
I'm
hoping you'll share some of your great insight with me. I thought that with the spike in COVID that fewer people would be returning to their offices and instead be working from home, and that this would be a big positive for Big Lots. The analysts I've read seem to be positive, and it has a $61 price target. But over the past week, it's been underperforming the market, though it's been up today.
A lot of these are. My friend who runs, John Dusk, who runs Misellum, who's got like 1 million shares, he's the guy who turned me on to Bed Bath and told me in the single digits that it was a buy. He tells me to hold tight with Big Lots. I'm not a big fan, but at least there's definitely some great adherence. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.